How to fix Preauth Play Integrity verification failed on ChatGPT. Let's get started with the video. Well, if you have been using the ChatGPT on the site on any of the web browser, then you should try downloading the application and use it. Move into App Store and search for ChatGPT. Head over to this app and install this application on your device. Once installed, log into your account and try using it in the app itself. Once done, the next thing you want to try is move into the web browser where you have been using ChatGPT site. Once you're in this page, click on this three dot icon at the bottom right corner. And at the very top, you can see the option of History. Click on it. Once you're in this page, in the search bar, you need to search for ChatGPT. Now you have to delete all of the sites of ChatGPT. Tap and hold the site and then click on Delete. Do the same process for all the sites. Once you have deleted all the visible sites of ChatGPT, try using it again and then you'll be good to go. Or else you can try using different browser for ChatGPT site. This way, your issue might get fixed and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.